Good morning, students. I am Bhupesh Bansal, your mentor for physics and director Anand Prakash Educational Academy. As we have been discussing for class 10 physics, we had discussed about electricity. We had discussed charge, static charge, potential, electric potential, potential difference, current, Ohm's law, series and parallel circuits. Now, as promised, I am going to start with power today. Electric power. What is power? We have all studied in class 9. Power is work done upon time. Unit of power is watt. Work done is joule. Time is second. We all know power is equal to work done upon time. That is also equal to now what is this? I have multiplied and divided W upon T by Q. That is, I have multiplied it by Q and divided it by Q. So, I get V into I. So, electric power is potential difference across the two terminals of a conductor or a resistance into the current flowing through that. The unit is still watt. We have many more units, that is, one is kilowatt, which is again like kilometer, 1000. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Now most of our appliances, when we go to the market, we say 40 watt का bulb दे देना. Yeah, give me a tube light of 20 watt. So that way all the equipments are classified in two things. One is the power consumption and the other is the potential difference. Next is energy. Work done by an electric power, work done by the electrical power is the amount of energy consumed by it. So energy is equal to work done or is equal to power into time, because work done upon time is equal to power. So power into time. We all know power is VI into T. Through Ohm's law, we all know V is equal to I into R. So substituting the values here, we get I square RT or V square by R into T. Unit is joules. Unit of energy is joules, as we have studied in class 9th. Now, there is another commercial unit for energy and there is another unit for power. There is a unit for power called horsepower, which is equal to 746 watt. There is another unit for energy, kilojoules, which is 1000 joules, but there is a commercial unit for electrical energy, that is kilowatt hour. As we know, this is watt and this is second. So 1000 watt into 3600 seconds makes 1 kilowatt hour, and if we see this is 36 lakh joules make 1 kilowatt hour. जो हमारे घर में बिजली आती है उसका जो मीटर लगा होता है उस मीटर की रीडिंग किस में रिकॉर्ड होती है? किलोवाट आवर. So we pay the charge to the distribution board in kilowatt hour based on the energy consumed in kilowatt hour, which is our next point we will be discussing it. Now coming down to domestic energy consumption, हम लोग सब घर में बिजली यूज करते हैं, फैन चलाते हैं, लाइट चलाते हैं, एसी चलाते हैं, कूलर चलाते हैं, फ्रिज होता है, बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रिकल गैजेट्स हमारे घर में। जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हर इलेक्ट्रिकल गैजेट, जैसे फैन है, फैन के आगे में एक पावर कंजम्पशन का यूनिट लिखा होता है, सपोज इट इज 100 वॉट। ऐसे ही हमारे घर में कुछ ट्यूबलाइट्स लगी हुई हैं विच में भी 40 वॉट। एक वॉशिंग मशीन भी है, मे बी 1500 वॉट। ऐसे करके हमारे घर में बहुत सारे गैजेट्स हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एग्जांपल ओनली ऑफ 3 गैजेट्स। सपोज देयर आर 6 फैंस, so I will keep here 6 and they run only for say 10 hours. So I will write 10. So this makes it this many watt hours. How many? 606,000 watt hours. Similarly, suppose 10 into 10 tube lights, so it makes it 4,000 watt hours. वॉशिंग मशीन है, सपोज 1 घंटा चलती है एंड एक ही वॉशिंग मशीन है, सो दैट मेक्स इट 1500 watt hours. What is the total energy we are consumed in a day? 6,000 plus 4,000 makes it 10,000, 11,500 watt hours. Or if I divide it by 1000, I get 11.5 kilowatt hours. Now, generally in a month, we consider there are 30 days. So if we multiply 11.5 by 30 or 115 by 3, it makes it 345 kilowatt hour. So, if I take this data, my total energy consumption in a month with these 3 gadgets is 345 units. If 1 unit costs me at the rate 5 rupees, then how much is going to be my electricity bill? Multiplied by 5. So what I have to pay to the board for using the power? Rupees 1725 in a month. Now these figures are only rough figures. I have taken 10 fans, maybe there are only 4 fans. There is a AC which runs for maybe 2 hours. So the data will vary from house to house, and accordingly the bill will vary from house to house. Now, as we had discussed earlier, electricity is used for many things. We convert electricity into mechanical energy, we convert electricity into heat energy, we convert electricity into chemical energy, we convert electricity into many different forms of energy. Light energy, that is, we are using the lamps and the tube lights. Wind energy, we are using the fans, coolers, ACs and all those things. Heat energy, we are using ovens, microwaves and many other things. Chemical energy also. So let us take the case of heating effect of electrical energy, which we are going to study today. As we had discussed yesterday, the specific resistivity of copper is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8, whereas nichrome is 110 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Now nichrome is an alloy. It has got a high melting temperature. So when we use materials like nichromes into the electrical circuit, because of their high resistivity, they start getting heated up. They start producing heat. And because they have high melting temperatures, so they don't melt at that temperature. So tungsten, nichrome, all these materials are used to produce heat energy using this. Now what is energy? We said is P into T or VIT or I square RT. Generally we use I square RT because it is to be used across a particular component. So do remember energy, heat energy produced. So electrical energy consumed is I square RT, heat energy produced is I square RT. Do remember it, and we will be doing numericals from the next class onwards. We will be doing numericals based on Ohm's law, based on domestic consumption, power, energy. Maybe 2 or 3 lectures will devote for the numericals before moving on to the next chapter. Till then, take care, stay safe. Yes, this is a troublesome period, I know. All of you want to go out to the playground, play cricket, play hockey, play all sort of outdoor sports with your friends. But friends, this is the time, testing time, and we have to stay indoors. So please stay indoors, devote your time to the indoor sports along with the studies, play with your parents, brothers and sisters, and enjoy the time. This time is not going to come back again. So enjoy the time, remain safe, keep watching to the video lectures, liking. I know you have been doing it. It has been encouraging for us. Do keep subscribing to the channel also. Thank you very much.